Eric Van Orden at Paramount had tried 2 or I think 3 other monitoring systems, was on that mental break from monitoring, and our sales rep who covers that region was trying to get into the shop, and he and I are out there. We had several other meetings in that area with great companies, and Eric says, look, I've done this, I've seen it all. This burned me so bad. If yours is so good, come by at 4 o'clock in the morning and show it to me. So we knocked on the door at 4 o'clock in the morning, and we did a demo where I'm literally holding my laptop in my arm, don't even get my jacket off, don't even get my backpack off, and he just looks at it and goes, where the heck have you guys been? Prove it. Connect to machines and show me that everything that you just showed me on this laptop will be in my shop, and this is yours to lose. So that's exactly the process that we're talking about. People want to do it, they've tried to do it, they've been roasted by the shortcomings of other solutions, and then when they see it, they go, where the heck have you been? We've been waiting for this. We're here. We're ready for you.